Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with Meaghan McKinley TV. What's up, you guys? It's Meaghan McKinley. Thank you all for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure that you click that subscribe button and click on the alerts button so you know every time I'm dropping a new video here on Meaghan McKinley TV. So let's jump right into it. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on eyebrows and lashes. So I'm telling you how to put on your eyebrows, and what part to do it on when you're doing your makeup process, as well as how to apply lashes. I get so many people that ask me about how do you apply lashes, like your lashes are so pretty. So that's what I'm bringing you all today. And what you need, you'll need for your lashes, you're gonna need a tweezer or a lash applicator. You're gonna need some lash glue and the lashes of your choice. As well as for your eyebrows, use your favorite pomade or eyebrow pencil. Today I'm gonna be using the Morphe Brow Obsession Kit that comes with the pomade, the brush, and the eyebrow gel. So tune in and get ready because we're gonna go on a little quick beauty trip, and let's go. When it comes to makeup, it's like this portion of your face is what's gonna really get you, boom. I'm gonna get everyone's attention. Your eyes, your lashes, your eyebrows, to me, those are the showstoppers when you're doing your makeup. So I like to start off with my brows and then I finish with my lashes. My lashes are like the cherry on top. They're like dessert. So I always do them last, and that's just my way. It's so many different ways you can do your makeup. It's so many different ways you can do your brows, but this is what I find easier for me and kind of the way I learned how to kind of perfect my eyebrows. And this method is perfect for a time like this when we're in quarantine, because if you have bushier eyebrows like I do, it's easier to clean them up and not have the little hairs everywhere. So I've already gone in and kind of cleaned up a little bit. I haven't had my eyebrows done since December, and I don't usually get them done that often because I like my eyebrows thick. So I start off by brushing the eyebrows out a little bit. Try to get its natural form, get its fullness, so nothing is kind of gonna be matted when I do the pomade, which is what I use. I really like pomades because it gives me better control of the shape, the density, and the color and shade of my brows. So, like I said, just brush them out a little bit, and you get a little bit on your brush. You just get a little bit of pomade on your brush. And as you can see, I can kind of like show you, it looks like this. And I always kind of scoop from the outside so I can take off the right amount. You don't ever want to use too much because then you don't have any place to build from. Take about this much. See, just enough to cover the brush and kind of like mold it to how you like it. And then I always just start in the middle. And you see it's kind of hair right here. You don't start there. You start where it starts to get a little bit thicker so you can guide it. So I start in the middle so you can guide and shape. And then I go up top in the middle and guide and shape. And then I also go in the middle of the middle and kind of just start shading it lightly. Like, you definitely have to practice being light and gentle. And then you start bringing it back in. But I kind of like to start in the middle on both eyes before I start playing with the center pieces of my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in and do the other eyebrow. All right, and so I'm gonna go back over here and I'm gonna just take it from here very lightly, just very lightly. You just start kind of shading it. And then when I'm done doing that, I kind of just do a little brush so you can get that natural. And if you see a little place where it might need to be filled in a little more, go ahead and do that. freckles be throwing off the way my brows look sometimes because I have so many freckles so close to my eyebrow line. It'll make my line look jacked up. Just very lightly, you guys, because you don't want those harsh lined eyebrows. And then you just kind of like blend it in. Your eyebrows should be cousins, not sisters, okay? They're never gonna be perfect. They're never gonna be exactly. They're not identical twins. And what helps is when you go back with your concealer, you go back and clean it up, you can kind of like make it a little bit more crisp. All right. And there we go. So I'm going to come back and show you all how to do these lashes once I complete my full face beat, okay? So we're back. So you guys got your lashes ready? We about to get the lashes on. All right. So with your lashes, choose the ones you like. I'm using Juicy by Niecy Lashes. You all can find her on Instagram, and she has a website, www.niecylashes.com. These are super glam. They're like the perfect glam, wispy, you know, bet your eyelash type of lashes, you know. Just a reminder what you need for your lashes. I use tweezers or a lash applicator, and I use lash glue. So the lash glue I have is by Sassy. It's just a black lash glue. And I prefer black lash glue just because I have darker features like my eyebrows, my lashes, and to me it just looks better. But you can use clear glue as well. It goes on white, but it dries clear. But this is my favorite. So before actually applying your lashes, you want to make sure that your lashes are cut to the right size of your eyes. So you might need a pair of scissors for this as well, because you don't want your lashes too long. Then they're going to look like they're falling off. They're just, you know, it's just not going to do it right. And then you're ready to start to apply. So you grab your lashes. If you're reusing them, I always get reusable lashes. Just make sure they're clean, because of course that's like a very sensitive part of your body. Like you don't want anything falling into your eyes and then messing with your tear ducts. And then I always get glue with an applicator, because as long as I've been applying my own lashes, I learned that an applicator really helps. So as you see, my lash glue has a top, and then connected to the top is a little brush. And it also helps with applying the right amount of glue as well. So I just always start on the line of it, just lightly brushing, just enough. You don't want to have a big glop of glue. So everything is perfectly coated. And then you gotta let it dry, because you want it to get tacky so it can attach to the right along the line. Don't do it on your lashes. You will be bald-eyed. Trust me, that's probably why I don't have that many lashes now from doing that in the past. But you just want to let it dry for a little bit. I would say give it 15 seconds minimum. And then you just want to lay it across the lash line. I'm gonna look in the mirror just because I want to make sure that I adjust it right, because it's kind of hard to do it for you all in the camera. So give me 1 moment. Okay. You can kind of see where I laid it. And once you have it in place, you kind of just take the tweezers and you just like pinch a little bit down, pinch them down, just so they're in place. Okay. Like so. And look, we already like we just jazzed the look up just that quick. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go put the other one on, and I'll be right back. All right. Let's fix it. And then like you could just play with it. If you want to lift it a little bit, just lift it. And voila. We're lashed, girls. We're lashed. A little trick that I use sometimes when I was starting out and I just felt like, oh my gosh, these lashes are gonna be looking so crazy and gappy and spacey and blah, blah, blah. use black eyeliner. If you go ahead and like go across the bottom line before you apply your lashes, like right over, like follow your lash line or your eye line with a black eyeliner, that'll give you a good following for where to place your lashes. And also, if you slip with the glue, if you use black glue, it's a great way to camouflage any of those mistakes. Well, that's it for the lash tutorial and brow tutorial for you guys. I hope you all really took away some good notes and that you all try out this method for yourself. Like, I'm a simple glam girl. I don't do a whole lot of extras. I do the makeup for us that like to look good and be quick, keep it simple, and that's what we did here today. So let me know what you think, and let me know if you try out this method and if it didn't help you a little bit, guide you for how to do your lashes and your brows to perfection. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.